Well, it made it here, so we're waiting to get in right now. But let's see how it goes. This car has a weird vibration in it, and higher RPM, so I don't know if I'm gonna beat on it or not. Just gonna have to play it by ear, so we'll see once we get in.
Wait till you get all the way in there and go ahead and just get through.
Got my pit crew with me today. Woo!
Damn nuts at. Where the nuts at?
Right there on your knee. Damn, I gotta drive home on those. I forgot to change my tires out. So this is the result of that. They're slicks now. Oh man. That's all chewed up. Well, that's a wrap on that set. That's all good. Hopefully we'll have enough tire left to drive home on those. Yeah, she did pretty good. Ended up bouncing rev limiter. Temperature didn't get too high. Oil pressure's good. I need to log the next one. I forgot to log it, but so far so good. We got another LS Miata here. So is this a 5.3?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Hell yeah, dude. Is it out?
Nah, it should hit this right here.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
We got zip ties.
I might need a whole new hose. Oh,
Yeah.
It wore it. What happened? It rubbed against this.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I mean, you could still send it once, but...
I got so used to driving with power steering.
Yeah. It's a Miata. You don't need power steering. I don't have it.
His pump might go out.
I mean, the pump definitely will go out if he drives regardless.
Yeah,
But
I'm about to go get run the auto
on is that it's just a normal straight hose you can put on there.
Yeah. Or well, no, we can't just disconnect it.
Leave it right.
You'd have to have a different belt.
Just get your hose.
Hey, check it out. So the easiest thing you could do right now, if you're not worried about power steering, you can get the same belt that I have and just loop it up this way.
I got it in the trunk.
You got? Oh, well then just throw that belt on.
I want power steering.
Look at this thing. Oh, we got another Miata going. Well, I haven't been able to walk around and record too much. They got music playing over there, so I'm not going to be able to use any of that footage. Unfortunately, where we're parked at, there's the loudspeakers right next to it. So this video might be a little chopped up, but we'll see how it ends up. Well, hopefully music isn't too loud in the background for this, but that was fun. We successfully made it here. did burnouts, did the swing thing, did the drift, some drift stuff. I don't know if I was in the event or not, but that was fun. That was great. And I wanted to keep going, but the dude was flagging me forward, so I came back. But that was awesome. That was so much fun. We successfully built it and made it here, and like did some sweet skids and some sick burnies. So that's pretty awesome. And it's so far in one piece. Yeah, that's great. Oil pressure's great. Coolant temp was good. Everything's in spec. It still has, I don't know if it's a vibration, a misfire, or what it is. I'm going to have to figure that out later, but so far so good. It's just got to make it home now, and it's mission complete. So. Woo!
There you go. Let me try that jacket, bro. That's clean. Okay, let me you had some weak ass shit out there. Had an RT
Good job, Barry.
Hell yeah. Sweet. Oh, that's awesome. Hell yeah. I won both? Did they just say I won both? I think they said I won both. Did I? Woo! Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Good job.
Awesome. Thank you. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. I was not expecting to win anything, really. I got 2 of them. That is awesome. Hell yeah, dude.
I knew you
That's
were
great.
That when that RT went off the freaking.
Hell yeah.
Somebody's like, take the traction control off.
That's so cool.
Like, it's an RT, you probably can't do that. I was like,
Hell yeah. Oh, that's cool as shit.
I can turn the traction control off.
Oh, that's great. Sweet. Alright, well that's awesome. I wasn't expecting that. So I guess I'm going to end this video here. And I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see y'all on the next one. Later, y'all.